In this video, we're going to be learning about how we can substitute into a composite function. Let's have a look at the basics. If I have a function whereby g of x is equal to x plus 2, this says in order to work out the function value, I take whatever x is and I add 2. So if I've got g of 4, this means 4 plus 2. I'm simply replacing x to be the value 4. And this gives me 6. With a composite function, we are applying a function to the result of another. So, if I've got f of g of 4, another way of looking at this is if I was to put brackets around the g of 4, I'm going to substitute the result of g of 4 into f of x. So in this case, I want to be able to replace 8x. So 8 times 6. I'm replacing x with the value that I got from the previous function. This then gives me 48. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So like before, the first thing I need to do is work out what g of 4 is. G of 4 is 4 plus 11, which gives me 15. Now substituting this into f would give me 6 times 15. 6 times 15 is 90, and this is my final answer.